Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to delete extra columns in Excel. If you want to clean up your spreadsheet and delete the extra column in Excel. So for example, if you want to delete the F column, so you need to select the column. Click on that and then right click and click on the delete, and here the extra column will be deleted immediately. So you can select the contiguous column. For this you need to hold down the control key while clicking individual column letters like this one. And then right click anywhere on the highlighted column headers and click delete. If you prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard, this is the quickest method. For this you need to click any cell inside the column you want to remove, for example this one, and then press Ctrl plus space bar to automatically select the entire column. And then let me open my keyboard. You need to press this Control key and this is the minus key. You need to press both keys all together. So press the hold country and minus key all together, and here it is deleted. If you want to delete the millions of blank columns to save the file size, for this you need to click the column letter of the first completely blank column to the right of the actual data grid, and then press the Control Shift and this is the right arrow. You need to click on that. This highlights every single column all the way to the very edge of the spreadsheet, and then right click of any of the selected columns and click the delete, or you can also use the Control plus minus key to delete that, and then Control S to save the file. So I hope you understand how to delete extra columns in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.